Hey, this is Amity with another quick tip for Kingsoft Office for Windows.
Today we are going to learn how to add new spell check dictionaries to Kingsoft Writer. First, open the link provided at the bottom of your screen. Here you will find a selection of dictionaries available to download. Today let's download German. Next, unzip the file by clicking Extract All. Then we're going to move the file into your C drive. To copy the file, click Ctrl-C. Then we're going to paste the file into the dictionary folder by clicking Ctrl-V. Now, reopen Kingsoft Writer. Go down to Tools, Set Language. There, you should see a list of available languages. Select your desired language and click Set as Default.